Hi there, Lindsay here, the Frugal Crafter. I have a Frugal Friday tip for you today, and we are in Mr. Frugal's domain, the workshop. Now, I've got my pastel pencils here, and I came up with the coolest way to sharpen them. Actually, I think I saw another pastel artist do it, Jason Morgan maybe, but we're going to use this belt sander thing here to sharpen our pencils. So this is going to be loud. I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear me talk, but you can see how it goes. There we go. We have a nice sharp point. And it works really well. So if you've got some pastel pencils that want to break or crumble on you when you try to sharpen them in an electric or a handheld sharpener, give this a try if you happen to have one at home. It really works like a charm. And I've never had good luck with electric sharpeners for pastel pencils. I use electric sharpeners for pretty much everything. My handheld ones always break my pencils, so this tip works. So I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up before you go. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye.